I'm Nathan Powell, and this is Vit Plant Social. My name is Nathan Powell. I'm from Fort Mill, South Carolina. I go to University of Texas Permian Basin, and I'm working as a control systems engineering intern. I think my favorite part about this internship so far is just getting to meet everyone, all the other interns, and then also having the opportunity to interrogate some of the upper management and see kind of their secrets. My hidden talent is doing a little water drop sound. Everyone I've been with has heard me rave about this restaurant. I mean, it's not even a local restaurant, but it's more of a chain. But I gotta say, it's gotta be Bojangles.